For most people, once you've taken it all apart, the seal around here has already been ruined. So to fix that and put on a new one, you can just use some standard neoprene closed cell weather stripping, which can be picked up at almost any department store or hardware store. Now this seal is just as important as the seal that we just put onto the bottom, because this prevents any debris from coming in underneath the motor into the top of the drivetrain. Now we're ready to put the belt back in, which is going to go through here. I'm going to leave the vacuum pipe out right now just so that you can see exactly where the belt needs to go. Comes in here, slides over the top of the sprocket, and sits right in there. Now we're going to put the motor back on, and that sprocket from the motor goes right in here. So this part of the job is a lot easier with two people. One person is basically just holding the belt there so that it's up and level. There's a little bit of room above the drivetrain, and it'll catch on the sprocket as I'm about to put the motor in. There, now we've caught the belt on there. We're going to put a couple of bolts in the front, and then we'll tension the belt. All these bolts also get blue Loctite. Now with all those bolts still in there fairly loosely, we're going to tilt the machine up and let the weight of the motor tension the belt. To do that, we can just grab the motor plate, tilt the machine up forward on its nose, and all you're doing is just balancing it there at approximately a 45-degree angle. Then, taking a pad driver, reach behind, put the pad driver onto one of the shafts, and rotate the belt through a few times. Once it's gone around, you know that the belt is tensioned evenly on both sides, and you can start to put these guys down again.